Taking a video. Mark, I'm taking a video.
Turn around, Mark.
Look over here.
Okay, I'm working on it.
Row over here.
Hey guys.
There we go. There's old Mark rowing in the Lake Dover River. Try not to fall in.
Try not to. I rolled.
Oh, good lord.
Hey guys.
That would suck if I fell in.
That would too.
Hi, Mark.
Hi.
This is so funny.
How's the river?
It's good.
Is it cold?
I need oxygen.
Oxygen.
If anybody gets hepatitis A, B, C, and F, it's you.
Yeah, me.
This is so funny. Here's the street.
How deep is it, Mark?
Here it is outside of the apartment. It's all flooded.
Can you
And
see
Mark,
it all on the camera?
yeah, Mark went to Walmart and bought a raft and some oars and
$40.
came here to go in it at 2:30 a.m. today on this day, March 13th, 2009.
Woo, Mark! A car!
No, Mark, try to put the